Hello everyone. 2025 is also a major milestone in space operations. This November, we will celebrate 25 years of human presence on the International Space Station. This month, NASA astronauts Suni Williams and Nick Hague are scheduled to conduct their first spacewalk of the year to work on the Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer, or NISR. Located on the ISS, NISR serves as an X-ray telescope that observes unique X-ray sources such as pulsars and neutron stars. Interestingly, neutron stars have played a key role in enabling the first demonstration of pulsar-based spacecraft navigation. This breakthrough could open the door to creating a GPS-like system for deep space, using pulsars as natural beacons to guide spacecraft through the solar system and beyond. Here's a New Year's resolution for you: exercise like an astronaut. Crew members aboard the ISS spend about 2 hours each day exercising to combat the effects of microgravity on their muscles and bones. This year, ESA will introduce an innovative exercise system, the European Enhanced Exploration Exercise Device, or E4D. Combining cycling, rowing, resistance training, and even rope climbing, the system could be crucial for keeping astronauts fit during long-duration missions to the Lunar Gateway and future deep space exploration. I have another resolution for you: eat like an astronaut, and add more vegetables to your plate. So far, astronauts have successfully grown 23 types of vegetables aboard the ISS, including lettuce, tomatoes, and peppers. This year, researchers will continue to experiment with hydroponic and aeroponic farming methods, which grow plants without soil. These techniques could not only revolutionize how we grow food in space but also help improve greenhouse farming and food security on Earth.